Kũhĩtũkio gwa taũni cia Mairo Inya na Injinia gũgũkinyeria taũni ithatũ iria cikinyĩtie gĩkĩro kĩa mĩthubarĩ hamwe na Olkarau ĩrĩa yambatĩririo nginyagia gĩkĩro kĩu mwaka-inĩ wa 2019.
After the committee met the residents, these were the findings. The committee made the following findings and observations after the conclusion of the intensive deliberations prompted by the submission made during the public participation exercises at Engineer Town. In line with the provision and requirements stipulated in the first schedule of the Urban Areas Cities Act 2019 and the information provided by the ad hoc committee, the committee observed that Engineer Town has the requisite population to be upgraded to a municipality.
You can see after Olkarau got its charter, Mr. Speaker, you can see something is coming up.
Ikinya rĩrĩ rĩtanyĩtwo kũhe mweke taũni ici kwamũkĩra kĩmanjĩka kĩa makĩria ma ciringi mirioni 100 oro taũni kuma bengi ya thĩ. Mbeca ici irĩ cia gũteithĩrĩria gũcihumba riri na njĩra ya ũthondeki wa barabara cia taũni, thitima o ũndũ ũmwe na tabarĩra cia gũte maĩ ma gĩko.
The sewer system is coming up. We can see the place is taking new shape, Mr. Speaker. And you can tell by the fast growing town and the mushrooming houses all over, Mr. Speaker.
When we went through the public participation, Mr. Speaker, our members were concerned about the rates. They will be charged rates, high rates, and stuff like that, which we recorded. And it is good to say yes, municipality will come with some benefits and some challenges, Mr. Speaker. However, I want to say that the benefits will be more than the challenges.
The municipal will be able to manage even their waste in a good way without congesting in one town. Mr. Speaker, having a municipality is like bringing closer development to the community.
Makĩarĩrĩria riboti ĩyo, ajumbe matiganĩte maugĩte taũni icio nĩ ikinyĩtie ikĩro iria ciendekithĩtio nĩguo ituĩke mĩthubarĩ. Ajumbe acio maugĩte wona ikinya rĩrĩ rĩakinyanĩrio, mĩthubarĩ ĩyo nĩ ĩkũhota kwĩrũgamĩrĩra na kĩgĩna kĩrĩa cirĩthukagĩrwo.
There has been a lot of rampant growth, and I speak because I come from one of the municipalities that is going to be formed in Mairo Inya. There has been a lot of rampant growth in Mairo Inya with about 10,000 people just within a locality of less than 30 acres.
And we will say, yes, if there are rates that will be charged, it's our prayer that the rates charged will commensurate with the kind of development that we will get, so that our people will be comfortable and say, yes, we are charged this amount, but we can see the development and the growth that comes with the municipality.
Ajumbe maugĩte mĩthubarĩ ĩyo nĩ ĩgũteithĩrĩria kwarahũra ũtonga na ũkũria wa matũũra marĩa mariganĩtie na taũni icio. Ngiribote Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarũa, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.